I am gonna cut my hair by myself. I've never done that. Here goes nothing. Okay. I think I need to cut it over here. So that's a lot of hair. ज़्यादा ही छोटा कर दिया क्या मैंने? Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. आज का वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है, थोड़ा स्केरी भी होने वाला है मेरे लिए बिकॉज आई एम गोना कट माई हेयर बाय माई सेल्फ. आई हैव नेवर डन दैट like on my hair. You guys know how particular I am on which hairstylist I go to, this and that, and I'm a little paranoid almost about my hair, but I'm gonna do this. I'm very scared. Actually मैंने पहले कट किया है but मेरे बाल कभी कट नहीं किए. मैंने मेरे मॉम के बाल कट किए, मेरे हस्बैंड के बाल कट किए हैं. So I'm a little confident on that, so I know how to, but I've never done it on my hair. And this is what I do. I make hair videos, I make fashion videos. What if I fuck up? So I'm a little scared at that, but I'm very excited. I'm gonna do this all by myself. Last haircut जो मैंने किया था वो around I think मेरे birthday के time पे June July, so it's been 3-4 months. I think my hair is due for a slight trim, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna go overboard, but I just want to give you guys full disclosure. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube. I've done my research on just how to give myself a haircut, and मुझे एक video बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's by Mel. Now she's an amazing YouTuber and she's a hairstylist, so I do trust her opinion. And उसने एक video बनाया है जहाँ पर वो अपने sister को बता रही है कैसे उसका hair cut करना है. I love that video because उसने जो हेयर कट किया है that's exactly the kind of haircut I like to do on my hair as well. So that's the video I will be following. I'll definitely put the link for that video in my description, and yeah, that's it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, my workstation is ready. I've kept everything over here, and यहाँ पर मैंने एक बड़ा mirror रखा है. Please ignore my wardrobe choices, but if I'm seeing on my left, that's why. Okay, I've just re-wet my hair. My hair was already freshly washed, shampooed and conditioned. अभी मैंने just re-wet किया है उसको, and I have applied a leave-in conditioner. And the one that I use is by Fix My Curls. Is the curl quenching hair butter. You can use any leave-in conditioner that you want. I've applied leave-in conditioner ताकि वो ज़्यादा dry ना हो, और वीडियो में भी उन्होंने use किया है. So this is the one that I used. You will also need a spray bottle handy. Spray bottle बहुत important है. Make sure that you have one. Some clips to tie your hair and a scissor, of course. I think ये वाला scissor सबको अपने घर पे मिल जाएगा. I did not invest in a proper scissor because I'm doing it for the first time. अगर ये hit हुआ then of course I will invest in a good quality professional वाला scissor, but today we are going to use this, and I'll be using this brush to section my hair. और इसका comb बहुत ही ज़्यादा fine है, as you can see, spaced out नहीं है. You will need something like this to give some tension when you're pulling and make sure कि आपके बाल अच्छे से detangled हो. And I think that's all you need. The first thing I'm gonna do is try to find my natural parting. For that, all you need to do is brush your hair back. And then I'm just gonna push my hair in the front and see where it naturally falls. I think I do see a parting going on over here. This is my natural parting, but I don't usually style it this way. Once my hair is dry, I usually style it on one side, this side or that side, but I do not do middle parting. But my natural parting middle pe hai. For some reason, I feel it just looks very flat. I'm gonna start with my front section first. I do not want to lose a lot of length. I want to keep and retain as much length as possible, so we're gonna start with the front. And to find the crown area, you just need to keep it like this. और जहाँ पर से भी वो lift हो रहा है, I think it's here. As you can see, there is a lift. यहाँ पर last touch हो रहा है comb मेरे head को. So this is my crown section, and this is what we're gonna work with first. Okay, now that we have our front section, I just re-wetted it because थोड़ा dry हो रहा था. I'm gonna take a triangle, a very small triangle in the front, and use that as my base and start there. I have a front section now. ये जो side वाला है, I'm just gonna pin that. Okay. Here goes nothing. very very long. This is below my chin. I'm gonna make sure that I cut it right over here ताकि curl up होके at least मेरे lip या फिर nose level पे आए. Well, that's the idea. Okay. I think this is a good length, no? See, as I said, I cut it over here. So around itna jump off hua. After drying, it will like scrunch up a little more. This is the length I was going for. I think I'm happy about it. My first cut. Okay, I'm gonna use this as my guide and go forward. Let's work on this side first. ये section पे first मैं काम करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna collect everything. As you can see, यहाँ पर मेरा first start भी है. तो ये मैं use करने वाली हूँ as my guide कि कहाँ से मुझे नीचे जाना है. And I'm not gonna cut it like this. I'm gonna cut it actually against. Okay, let's start. Okay, here goes nothing. This is the most important part. This is gonna frame your face. If I fuck this up, I'm gone. I'm gonna use a little bit of the previous one as the base. यहाँ से मुझे consider करना है. मैं फिर भी एकदम straight cut नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm trying to cut it. This looks good. This is good. Last, I'm gonna use this as the guide. मैं straight नहीं hold कर रही हूँ. मैं फिर भी angle पे hold कर रही हूँ मेरे बालों को. A good gradient, but I feel यहाँ पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा है. I'm not sure whether should I cut it that long. I think it should go a little something like this. No? This is how it's looking. I love the way it's grading down. I like it. Now let's work on this section. And it's okay if it's not perfect because we have curly hair. Curly hair curl up होने के बाद आपको बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आने वाला. It's not perfect. After drying, I will give it a finishing cut, how I feel. But for now, I think this is pretty good. See where my hair is ending? It's right there. And then from there, I like to take it against, angle it. I feel this method works the best for me. And now that I have it in hand, this is where my hair is ending, the last section. Take it across, create an angle. Pretty good. Let's compare the both. We need to make sure कि सब equal है दोनों side में. Okay, let's see. I brushed it out. ये वाला सेक्शन तो सिमिलर ही है बिकॉज एक साथ कट किया हुआ था. वाला सेक्शन भी सिमिलर है. This side I feel is a little longer. Like this one is ending here and this one is ending here. So I feel like last वाला section को I need to chop it a little more. Now it will match. This side is still a little longer. I think now it's proper. This is perfect. This is perfect. And this is perfect. With that, my front section is done. Let me try and see how it looks once I part it the way I usually style it. It's actually looking really, really good. As you can see, this side, ये ऊपर जा चुका है, and there's a nice front framing layers. Yay! I think I did a good job. Okay. जो भी फ्रंट सेक्शन पे काम हो चुका है, I'm just gonna tie it up ताकि उसको अभी हाथ ना लगाए. At the end we'll see how everything works out. For now we're gonna work on the back section. Okay, I just re-wetted my hair, and also have you guys noticed that my red hair is gone? It has faded away. I think it's been more than 3 to 4 months or almost सब चला गया है. I'm back to my like old color I had. ये ends पे और ऊपर का जो डार्क है वो तो डार्क ही है. I feel जो मेरे natural hair पे जो red deposit हुआ था, that's still a little red. It has faded away but not so much. But जो यहाँ पर highlighted portion था ना, वो सबसे ज़्यादा fade out हुआ है. And I am going to be recoloring my hair in December. So अभी के लिए जैसा है वैसा चल जाएगा. Okay, for back section we're gonna do a unicorn haircut. Okay, next I'm going to tie a ponytail as on top of my head as possible, like over here. This is the hardest part because यहाँ पर लेकर आना बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficult हो रहा है. So I'm trying to detangle as much as possible because you need to make sure that your hair is detangled, not knotted at all. So this looks good. So I'm gonna tie hair tie. Okay, if you try to take a look at my layers, ये जो छोटे बाल दिख रहे हैं, this is supposed to be पीछे के hair, and then this long layers is supposed to be आगे के बाल. So I'm going to measure up the पीछे का बाल and cut it. So I think I need to cut it over here. So that's a lot of hair. So scared to cut this part. I'm gonna cut it right here. Looks straight, but I can see over here it's not. So I'm just going to give it like ऐसे ऐसे कट करने वाली हूँ at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna let go of this ponytail and see what that looks like. Oh my god, ज़्यादा ही छोटा कर दिया क्या मैंने? Shit. I need to brush it first and see. I'm freaking out a little. Okay, I detangled my hair and this is how it's looking. I love the front portion. बहुत अच्छे से front framing pieces हो रहे हैं. And this is the length. It's pretty long, which is great. जो layers है, I'm not sure कि मुझे और layers चाहिए, like something starting जो मेरा layers pieces आ रहे हैं, it's pretty long, which I'm not liking. I want it to be a little shorter, like somewhere over here. Let's see how I'll do that. First, let's tackle the ends. Okay, for the bottom, I've parted my hair all the way to the back, बीच में से, and now I'm gonna make sure कि अच्छे से सारे बाल detangled है and straight है. Next, now I am looking for a U cut. नीचे से U चाहिए मुझे, V नहीं. So I'm gonna look at an angle like this over there. Gather all the pieces. Now my shoulder is in the front and my face is at the side. Go to the bottom. And I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna repeat the same on this side. Okay, with that, the haircut is almost complete. I'm just gonna brush my hair one more time and see if there is any hair left that needs to be trimmed. It looks good. This is the hair I've cut off. I don't think it's a lot, but let's see. Okay, I'm definitely liking what I'm seeing in the mirror. I think I did a good job. I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, wash off all the extra hair that's on my body, wash the hair, style it, and I'll be back to show you guys the result. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below. I definitely think it's a hit, but we'll see. And we'll finish off the haircut once my hair is 100% dry. I'll be back. Okay, so this is how the final result is looking. I absolutely love it. It has volume, it has bounce, and look at the front framing pieces. Look how well it's framing my face. And जो shortest layer है वो यहाँ पर है, and that's exactly where I wanted it to be. मैंने I think chin level पे cut किया था, and it has bounced this much. But overall, the way it's falling and the way it's looking, oh my god, I'm in love. It's actually the best haircut that I've ever had, I feel. Wow, I love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about this haircut. I absolutely love it. अगर आप ये recreate करने वाले हो, then definitely don't forget to tag me. I would love to see how it turned out on you. And yeah, with that said, like कर देना, subscribe कर देना, share कर देना ये video with all your friends, family on your social media. It would really help me out a lot. And the comment shout out goes to Pooja. Pooja, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the power